Welcome, I am Louise Hay. Today, I invite you to begin your morning with one simple and beautiful thought. I am grateful for every blessing in my life. Before you reach for your phone, before you think about yesterday, before you worry about tomorrow, pause for a moment and breathe. You are here. You have been given another morning, another opportunity, another precious day to experience life. And that alone is something worthy of gratitude. Gratitude changes the way we see our lives. It does not mean that everything is perfect. It does not mean we never experience disappointment, uncertainty, or pain. Gratitude simply teaches us to notice the blessings that are already present, even in the middle of ordinary days. When we begin looking for what is good, our hearts become more open to receiving even more goodness. This morning, place your hand gently over your heart and say, I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for my breath. I am grateful for every blessing that is visible and every blessing that is still unfolding. Say these words slowly. Allow them to settle within you. Perhaps you woke up with challenges waiting for you. Perhaps there are things in your life that you wish were different. You may not have all the answers yet. That is okay. You do not have to solve your entire life this morning. You only need to begin with gratitude. Be grateful for the little things. Be grateful for the sunlight entering your room. Be grateful for the bed that supported you through the night. Be grateful for a warm cup of tea or coffee. Be grateful for the people who care about you. Be grateful for the lessons that made you stronger. Be grateful for the opportunities you have not even discovered yet. Sometimes we wait for something enormous to happen before we allow ourselves to feel grateful. We say, when I have more money, I will be grateful. When I find the right person, I will be grateful. When my dreams come true, I will finally feel blessed. But what if gratitude comes first? What if you begin appreciating what you have now, while remaining open to everything you desire? Your life does not have to be perfect for your heart to be thankful. Say to yourself, I choose to appreciate this moment. I choose to recognize the good in my life. I choose to trust that life is supporting me in ways I may not yet understand. You deserve to begin your day with peaceful thoughts rather than criticism. You deserve to speak kindly to yourself. Instead of looking into the mirror and searching for what you dislike, look at yourself with compassion and say, I am worthy of love. I am worthy of kindness. I am grateful for myself. Your relationship with yourself influences the way you experience the world. When you begin treating yourself with love, you create an inner environment where peace can grow. Gratitude also helps us release the habit of constantly comparing our lives with others. Someone else may have something you desire, but their journey is not your journey. Their timing is not your timing. Your life has its own beautiful unfolding. So today, instead of asking, why don't I have what they have? Ask, what can I appreciate about my own life today? There is always something. Perhaps it is your strength. Perhaps it is your ability to begin again. Perhaps it is a friendship. Perhaps it is your creativity, your courage, your imagination, or simply the fact that you continue moving forward. Take another deep breath and repeat. I am grateful for every blessing in my life. I am grateful for what I have, and I am grateful for what is coming. I trust the journey of my life. I welcome peace into my heart. I welcome love into my thoughts. I welcome abundance into my experience. I am open to beautiful possibilities. I allow good things to find me. I am worthy of receiving them. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. When something goes wrong, pause and find one thing you can still appreciate. When you feel discouraged, remember that one difficult moment does not define your entire life. When you feel uncertain, breathe and remind yourself that you do not need to know every step before taking the next one. Let gratitude become your morning ritual. Let it be the first language your heart speaks each day. And as you move forward, remember this: your blessings are not limited to the things you can see. Sometimes a closed door is protection. Sometimes a delay is preparation. Sometimes an ending creates space for a new beginning. Life may be arranging things in ways you cannot yet understand. So wake up tomorrow and choose gratitude again. Look around you. Look within you. Appreciate the present moment. Love yourself a little more. Trust life a little deeper. And say with an open heart, I am grateful for every blessing. I am grateful for this life. I am grateful for this day. I am grateful for who I am becoming. And I am ready to receive the beautiful possibilities that are waiting for me. As you begin this beautiful morning, remember that gratitude is not something you have to force. It is something you can gently awaken within yourself. You do not need a perfect life to have a grateful heart. You do not need every dream to have already come true. You simply need to pause long enough to recognize that there is still goodness here. There is always something to appreciate. Perhaps you have been through difficult seasons. Perhaps there were moments when you wondered whether things would ever become easier. Maybe you experienced disappointment, rejection, loss, or uncertainty. Yet you are still here. You made it through those days. You are breathing. You are growing. You are learning. And every morning gives you another opportunity to begin again. Say to yourself, I am grateful for my ability to begin again. I am grateful that yesterday does not control today. I am grateful that I can choose a new thought, a new attitude, and a new direction. You are not required to carry yesterday into today. The morning is a doorway. When you open your eyes, you are standing at the beginning of a new chapter. You can decide what thoughts you want to carry through that doorway. You can leave behind unnecessary fear, resentment, regret, and self-criticism. You can choose thoughts that nourish you. Today, choose gratitude. Before you think about everything that needs to be done, think about everything that has already been given to you. Your breath is a gift. Your ability to think is a gift. Your ability to love is a gift. Your ability to learn, change, forgive, create, and begin again is a gift. Even the simplest things deserve your attention. Be grateful for water. Be grateful for food. Be grateful for shelter. Be grateful for the people who have helped you along the way. Be grateful for the lessons that came through unexpected experiences. Be grateful for the strength you discovered when you thought you had none left. Sometimes we only recognize our strength after life has asked us to use it. So instead of criticizing yourself for the things you have not accomplished, honor yourself for how far you have come. Say, I am proud of myself for continuing. I am grateful for every lesson that has helped me grow. I forgive myself for the times I did not know better. I release the past with love, and I welcome this new day with an open heart. There is incredible freedom in letting yourself begin again. You do not have to be the person you were yesterday. You can choose differently today. You can speak more kindly to yourself. You can protect your peace. You can make healthier choices. You can believe in possibilities that once seemed impossible. Gratitude helps you notice progress that you might otherwise overlook. Maybe your life has not changed completely, but perhaps you have changed. Maybe you respond differently now. Maybe you have become stronger. Maybe you have learned to walk away from what no longer serves you. Maybe you have discovered that your worth does not depend on someone else's approval. Be grateful for that awakening. Say, I am grateful for the wisdom I have gained. I am grateful for the strength I have developed. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. And when you think about your future, do not approach it only with fear. Approach it with curiosity and trust. You do not know what beautiful opportunities may be waiting for you. You do not know which conversation may change your life. You do not know which door may open unexpectedly. You do not know what new friendships, ideas, experiences, or possibilities are coming. That uncertainty can be frightening, but it can also be exciting. Let yourself believe that something wonderful can happen. Say, I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. I am willing to see possibilities where I once saw limitations. I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. I welcome good things into my life. Notice how your body responds when you speak to yourself with love. Your shoulders may relax. Your breathing may become slower. Your mind may become quieter. You begin creating a peaceful space within yourself, and from that peaceful space, you can make better choices. You can enter your day without immediately believing every fearful thought that appears in your mind. A thought is simply a thought. You can choose which thoughts deserve your attention. When your mind says, something will go wrong, you can gently answer, perhaps, but I will handle life one moment at a time. When your mind says, I am not enough, answer, I am already worthy of love and respect. When your mind says, I will never have the life I want, answer, I am open to possibilities I cannot yet see. And when your mind becomes overwhelmed, return to gratitude. I am here. I am breathing. I have this moment. I can begin again. Let these words become an anchor. You may not be able to control everything that happens today, but you can choose how you speak to yourself. You can choose to notice beauty. You can choose to appreciate small victories. You can choose to be patient with your own journey. Do not underestimate the power of one grateful thought. One grateful thought can lead to another. One peaceful thought can create another. One loving decision can influence the next decision. Little by little, you begin changing the way you experience your life. This is why your morning matters. The first thoughts you repeatedly give your attention to can influence the emotional direction of your day. So give yourself something beautiful to think about. Tell yourself, I am grateful for this morning. I am grateful for my life. I am grateful for the lessons behind me. I am grateful for the opportunities ahead. I am grateful for the love I have received. I am grateful for the love I am learning to give myself. I am grateful for every blessing I can see, and every blessing still unfolding. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself to feel the meaning behind those words. You do not need to rush. You do not need to prove yourself. You do not need to have everything figured out. For this moment, simply be present. Feel your breath. Feel your heart. Notice the morning around you. Give thanks for another opportunity to live consciously, love deeply, and grow gently. And when you step into your day, carry gratitude with you. Let gratitude remind you that your life contains more than your problems. Let it remind you that difficult moments are not the whole story. Let it remind you that you are still capable of discovering beauty, receiving love, creating change, and beginning again. Today, choose to look for blessings instead of only searching for problems. Choose appreciation instead of constant criticism. Choose hope instead of assuming the worst. Your life is still unfolding. There are chapters you have not read yet. There are experiences you have not lived yet. There are people you have not met yet. There are opportunities you cannot see yet. So keep your heart open. Wake up each morning and say, I am grateful for every blessing. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for who I am today. And I am grateful for who I am becoming. Let that gratitude fill your heart. Let it guide your thoughts. Let it soften your worries. Let it remind you that even an ordinary morning can be sacred when you learn to appreciate it. And as you move through this day, remember that you do not have to wait for something extraordinary before you feel blessed. The extraordinary may already be hidden inside the ordinary moments you have been overlooking. Your breath is a blessing. Your life is a blessing. Your ability to love is a blessing. Your ability to start again is a blessing, and this morning is a blessing. So breathe deeply, smile gently, and walk forward with an open heart. Say it one final time, and believe it more deeply with every word. I am grateful for every blessing in my life. I welcome this day with love. I trust that life is unfolding in its own perfect way. I release what I cannot change. I appreciate what I have, and I remain open to everything beautiful that is yet to come. I am grateful. I am worthy. I am open. I am ready. And I choose to make this day a beautiful expression of love, peace, and gratitude. And as this morning continues, remember that gratitude can become more than words you repeat. It can become the way you live. Look at the people around you and appreciate their presence. Notice the small moments that usually pass unnoticed. A kind smile, a peaceful breath, a beautiful sky, a quiet moment of reflection. These simple gifts are part of your life. Say, I choose to notice the blessings that surround me. I choose to appreciate what is here instead of worrying about what is missing. You are allowed to enjoy your life now. You do not have to postpone happiness until every goal has been achieved. You can find peace while you are still growing. You can feel blessed while you are still becoming the person you desire to be. Every morning, give yourself permission to start fresh. Release yesterday's mistakes. Release the pressure to have everything figured out. Trust that you are learning exactly what you need to learn, one experience at a time. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for another chance. I am grateful for the love within me, the lessons behind me, and the possibilities ahead of me. I welcome this day with an open heart, a peaceful mind, and a grateful spirit. Carry these words with you today.